नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is Central Nervous System. Normal structure. The skull and the vertebrae form a rigid compartment encasing the delicate brain and spinal cord. The average weight of the brain is about 1400 grams in men and 1250 grams in women. The two main divisions of the brain, the cerebrum and the cerebellum, are quite distinct in structure. The brain does not have lymphatic drainage. There are two types of tissues in the nervous system. First is neuroectodermal tissue, which includes neurons and neuralgia, and together form the predominant constituent of the central nervous system. Second is mesodermal tissue, or microglia, dura mater, the leptomeninges, pyometer and arachnoid, blood vessels, and their accompanying mesenchymal cells. Now first is neurons. The neurons are highly specialized cell of the body which are incapable of dividing after the first few weeks of birth. Neuropil is the term used for the fibrillar network formed by processes of all the neuronal cells. Second is neuralgia, neuroglia. The neuroglia provides supportive matrix and maintenance to the neurons. It includes three types of cells: astrocytes, oligodendrocytes, and epidermal cells. Neuroglia is generally referred to a glia. The tumors originating from it are termed gliomas, while reactive proliferation of the astrocyte is called gliosis. Astrocytes. The astrocytes are stellate cells with numerous fine branching processes. Depending upon the type of processes, two types of astrocytes are distinguished. First is protoplasmic astrocytes and second is fibrous astrocytes. Gametocytes astrocytes are early reactive astrocytes having prominent pink cytoplasm. Long-standing progressive gliosis result in the development of Rosenthal fibers, which are eosinophilic, elongated, or globular bodies present on the astrocytic processes. Corporoamylocea are basophilic, rounded, sometimes laminated bodies present in elderly peoples in the white matter and result from accumulation of starch-like material in the degenerating astrocytes. Oligodendrocytes. Oligodendrocytes are so named because of their short and fewer process when examined by light microscopy with spatial stains. The major function of oligodendrocyte is formation and maintenance of myelin. Third is ependymal cells. The ependymal cells are epithelium-like and form a single layer of cells lining the ventricular system aqueduct central canal of the spinal cord and covers the choroid plexus. They are cuboidal to columnar cells and have ciliated luminal surface. The ependymal cells influence the formation and composition of the cerebrospinal fluid by processes of active secretion, diffusion, absorption, and exchange. Now, microglia. Microglia is the nervous system counterpart of the monocyte macrophages system. Fourth is dura mater. The dura mater is a tough fibrous covering of the brain which is closely attached to the skull on its inner layer of endocranial periosteum. In the region of spinal canal, it encloses a potential space, the epidural space between the bone and the dura. The dura is composed of dense collagen fused with periosteum of the skull. Pia arachnoid or leptomeninges. The leptomeninges consisting of the pia and arachnoid matter forms the delicate vascular membranous covering of the central nervous system. The pia mater is closely applied to the brain and its convolution while the arachnoid matter lies between the pia mater and the dura mater without dipping into sulci. Thus, a space is left between the two layers of leptomeninges, known as subarachnoid space, while which contains the cerebrospinal fluid. Extension of the subarachnoid space between the wall of blood vessels entering the brain and their pial sheath form a circumvascular space called Virchow-Robin space. Anterior important potential space is enclosed between the dura and the arachnoid membrane known as subdural space. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoyed this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.